Special thanks to our friends at this company who were nice enough to send us this military tactical pin. So inside of this nice little case is this tactical pin. There's even 4, actually it looks like 5 refill ink pens, and there's 1 in here, so for a total of 6. Oh wow, no, there is 6. Is there 1 in here too? So there's 7. So there's, hold on, take this one out, there's another one, so there's 6 refill ink heads, and then 1 even in here. Wow. And that is it for the box. So as you can see, you have just a normal pin here that would ride for you. Wow, very nice. Then you have your clip here. This is of course a window breaker, so if you were stuck in a bad situation and needed to break a window, you could use that to shatter the window. Then if you unscrew this, that's how you replace your ink. Very nice. So thanks again to this company who was nice enough to send me this military tactical pin with 6 refills. I love the feel of this thing. Truly, I think this is going to be my new go-to pin. I really like it. I like the grip on it. I like the clip on it. And I mean, you never know when you might need to shatter a window. So very nice. That should do it for this unboxing. Thank you all for watching. See you in the next one. Deuces.